Hi, this is Lalita. Okay, let us start. The topic is exponents and powers. Now, here I am writing one product to form 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How can you write these number in exponential form? Which number you multiplied here? 2. That is base. How many times you multiplied? 5 times. That is known as exponent. Okay, which number you multiplied, that is known as base. How many times you multiplied, that is known as exponent. So the other name of exponent is index. Okay, here 2 is called base, 5 is called exponent. Clear? How can we read this one? 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power. Power means you will feel that is exponent. But the other name of exponent is index. Power means it's rising. 2 is rising 5 times. 2 to the power of 5. Okay. Now we are going to start. The topic is exponents and powers. Exponent. Which one is multiplied? That number is base. How many times multiplied? That is known as exponents. Now I want to start the laws of exponents. Which formulas we are regularly using in exponent and powers. That formulas explanation I will explain in this class. First formula is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. If bases are same in multiplication, add the powers. We will see one example here. A power m 3 power 2 into a power n 3 to the power of 3. We will get 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 is 5. Through suppose we don't know the formula, how can we do this one? 3 to the power of 2 means base you have to multiply 2 times and base you have to multiply 5 times, 3 times. Totally how many times you observed? 5 times. That is only without writing in the product form directly. We can add the powers, exponents. Did you understand? The first law, which one we will regularly use? A power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. If bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. Okay, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That is the first law. We'll go through second one. A power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. When we will use this formula? If m is greater than n. M is greater than n. Numerator exponent is greater than denominator's exponent. Then we will apply this formula. Through one example, we have to check this one. That is 2 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 2. Yeah, 2 to the power of 5. How can you write in the product form? 2, we have to write it 5 times by denominator 2 square 2 into 2. So can we get the cancellations? Yes, we can. What is the remaining number? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3 times multiplied. So 2 to the power of 3. That is equal to, here if bases are same in division, subtract the exponents. 2 power 3. Did you understand? 2 power 3. If bases are same in division, then subtract the exponents. When numerator exponent is greater than denominator's exponent, then we will use this formula. Clear? Same like that we will go through the next one is the third formula. A power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a power n minus 1. When n is greater than m, same like this, bases are same in division. Bases are same in division. but the denominator exponent is greater than the numerator's exponent, then we have go through 1 by a power n minus m. Okay, so we will see one example. 4 square by 4 to the power of 5. 4 square, that means 4 you have to write 2 times. 4 to the power of 5, then you have to write 4 in 5 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Cancellations. Then numerator nothing is there. That means you have to write it. That is 1. Come to the denominator. 4 3 times it's repeated. So 4 power 3. 4 power 3. Did you understand? So like that, here directly we can write 1 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 2. No, I want to go through this formula only. Did you feel like that? If bases are same in division, subtract the exponents. I remember only that one thing. Did you feel like that? Means okay, go through that. Then 4 to the power of 2 minus 5. Bases are same in division, subtract the exponents, then you got 4 to the power of 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5, already you know integers. Already I explained simplification of integers in previous video. Yeah, 2 minus 5, 1 minus is there. Subtract the numbers, greater number symbol. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 is greater number before we observed its negative symbol. So 4 to the power of minus 3. 4 to the power of minus 3 or 1 by 4 cube. 1 by 4 cube. Okay, so here maybe you understand one more formula, that is if you have the negative exponent, that is a power minus m, we can write 1 by a power m. If do you have any negative exponent, you can write it, include one as numerator, base and exponent without any changes. As it is, we have to write it. Okay, as it is, you have to write. Suppose these base place we have some fraction, maybe a by b. Then you have to write a by b whole power negative m. A by B, whenever you have the fractions, write the reciprocal of base. B by A whole power m. B by A whole power m. It is also a formula. Yeah, if do you want, you will take some examples and you can try. Okay, next we will go through one more formula, that is A power m by A power n is equal to, generally you know the formula a power m minus n. Yes, here you will get a power 0, 1. What is the condition? M is equal to n. M is equal to n. That means numerator's exponent and denominator's exponents both are equal. You can try like that. Here numerator 2 cube by 2 cube. Yes, 2 cube by 2 cube. Then the numerator you observe 2 cube. Denominator also you observe it's 2 cube. 2 cube. How can we write? Bases are same in division. Subtract the exponents. 2 power 3 minus 3. How much? How much? That is 2 power 0. 2 power 0. Up to that you are clear. How it become as 1? Maybe you got the doubt. Check here 2 into 2 into 2. Denominator 2 into 2 into 2. All are cancelled. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Did you understand? So like that we will get some formulas. The first formula, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. B, remember, if bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. Bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. See the second formula. Bases are same in division, subtract the exponents. Bases are same in division, subtract the exponents. The same formula we are applying for the remaining two formulas also. Okay, like that we have still some more formulas. We'll see the next formula. Yes, you will see the next one. A power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Here, bases are different, exponents are same. Then collect the bases with the same operation. Same operation. If its product is going on, collect the bases with product. So, see one example here. 2 cube into 4 cube. According to formula, 2 into 4 whole power 3. Okay, that is whole power 3. So 2 cube, how can you write it? 2 you have to multiply 3 times. Like that, 4 you have to multiply 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, 4 into 4 into 4. I am collecting 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 2 into 4. So here how many brackets you observed? 3. Which one is repeated? 2 into 4. Which is repeated? That is base. How many times repeated? That is known as exponent. So 2 into 4 whole power 3. Understand? If bases are different, exponents are same, then collect the bases with same operation. See the next one. A power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. So here also bases are different, exponent is same. If bases are different, common exponent is there. Collect the bases with same operation. That means here product is going on. Collect the bases with product. Here division is going on. Collect the bases with the division. Common exponent, you have to write it outside. Okay, through one example you have to check it. 3 square by 5 square. Bases are different, exponents are same. So 3 by 5 whole power 2. How can we get this formula? Means see here 3 square 3 into 3. 5 square 5 into 5. So separated 3 by 5 into 3 by 5, which is repeated 3 by 5. How many times? 2 times. So 3 by 5 whole to the power of 2. Same like that here, power of power property, a power m whole power n. Power of power property, if powers 2 or more powers is there, directly we can multiply the exponents. So a power m into n, 2 into 3, 2 power 6, directly we can write. How? Do you have any doubt? Means can check it. 2 square is the base here. What is the exponent? 3. So 2 square you have to multiply 3 times. 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. So bases are same in multiplication. Already you learned first power. First laws of exponent. Bases are same in multiplication. Add the exponent. So 2 power 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is how much? 2 power 6. Without doing these all the things, directly you can write 2 power 2 into 3. That is 2 power 6. Without doing these all the things, directly we can write. Did you understand? Laws of exponents is basing on these all the formulas. If you are good in formulas, obviously you will get all the answers. So which laws I explained, once you have to check it. These all are laws of exponents. Which formulas I explained, once we will see. First one, if bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. Okay. Second one, if bases are same in division, subtract the exponents. Okay. And the next, you have one more formula. In these one only we have still two more sums we got it. That is a power negative m. Whenever it is negative, directly we can go through 1 by a power m. If a power 0, whatever is the base, exponent is 0, that answer is always, it is 1. Okay, then next one is, if exponents are same, bases are different, collect the bases with same operations. Did you understand? And a power m by b power m. Here exponents are same. Collect the bases with same operation. Okay. And the next power of power property a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. And one more also I explained a by b whole power negative m. Whatever is the base, negative exponent is there, you had to write reciprocal of base and common exponent. Okay. And next, suppose it's not a by b, 2 by 3, 5 by 9 like that. Here they given 1 by a whole power minus m. So reciprocal of base only a power m. Did you understand? Like that you will get it. So how many they given also? That means a power m into a power n into a power p. So bases are same in multiplication. Add the exponents m plus n plus p. Here only two are there. Then only we will say like that. That thing is not there. How many they given also? You have to write like that. Did you understand? So the tenth formula is not at all required actually. By using the first one only, bases are same in multiplication. Add the powers. By applying these one, we will get it the complete sums in exponents, laws of exponents. Did you understand? Yeah, see here the third formula a power minus m. How much a power minus m? It is 1 by a power m. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. Do you have any doubts? Did you understand? Are you clear? Yes, these laws of exponents are very easy when you are so good in the formulas. If bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. If bases are same in division, subtract the exponent. If exponents are same, bases are different in multiplication, collect the bases with the same operation. But one thing you have to observe, this laws of exponent is applicable only for products and divisions. Here between the terms, suppose any plus or minus is there, we can't think about the formula. Clear, just into or divide by is there, then only you have to think which formula it is. Is it applicable to any law of exponent? You have to think like that when between that into or division is there. Either plus or minus is there, laws of exponents is not applicable for like that. That means that time you have to think about the individual numbers. Maybe it is in the form of a power 0. Maybe it is in the form of a power minus m. Maybe it is in the form of a power m whole power n, like that. Okay. First learn the formulas perfectly. If you are good in formulas, surely you will get good score in exponent and powers. Don't miss it. Practice the sums continuously. Maths means much practice. Okay, I'll give homework in description. Surely you have to do. Still, do you have any doubts in my class or in homeworks? Do you have any doubts? Comment to me. Surely I'll respond. Okay, without fail, like, share and subscribe. It's your Lalita. Thank you.